Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to play with puppets. And my little brother is here. Which one do you want?
I'm here to help you.
Which one do you want?
Hi baby.
You want the
Is it colorful? Takaji?
And my brother loves playing with puppets.
Who's that? Who's Takaji? Huh? Where is he? He's doing his baby talk. Hi, what are you looking for?
Huh?
What are you looking for?
You.
You want something else? Where's your car? Where's your car? You want your car? Do you want your car?
I'm on puppet.
Do you want your car? Pop one. Go ahead. Someone show him how to pop one.
I'm on. You gotta do this. Look. 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 Can you do it? Oh, which one is easier? Which one is easier? The butterfly or this?
Look, the car is coming. There we go.
Very nice.
Keep trying.
Come on, you gotta make it to a roll.
Someone, what do you think about the puppet? Remember those like fidget spinner, right? And then now have this puppet. I never understood. So, you know, we should make some ice cubes with that, right?
Yeah.
Little ice cubes.
I
Put some like food coloring.
think you can make dessert with this too. Probably. What is that? Lego car from the other day? Is that the Lego car from the other day? Yeah, make it too long. Oh no. Why you love that one so much anymore? Oh yeah.
Armand, what is that? Car?
Yeah, car, Lego car.
Is that a car?
Yeah, vroom vroom.
He's like, I don't want to talk. I just want to play. He's doing the ASMR. Shh, everybody. He's playing with the car. All of a sudden, it's gonna start banging on the table. Mickey Mouse. Oh no, now he's about to attack the background. The background is about to get destroyed. How about, you want to join something else in? Ooh. Who's this? Here. You like this one? Don't hurt yourself with that. Someone watch him, okay?
What is that? Black Panther?
My claws can tear through anything. Face me in the combat.
What is that? Black Panther?
For Wakanda.
Ooh.
Is that the best you got?
Hey, don't drop him on the floor.
This is not a negotiation.
Armand, where's your Ninja Turtle? It's right there.
This is
Get the Ninja
war.
Turtle.
I will deal with you myself.
Look, where's his head? Oops. Boop, 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 boop. Look, Emma, look. Look.
He's putting the car and it's going under his legs. Wow.
I'm
Wow,
gonna drop
Armand.
the other.
You're so good with this.
Ooh.
Careful, careful.
Killmonger, I will defeat you. I will bring you to justice.
Yeah, I'm very nice.
So he's gonna bring you to justice, someone.
Armand. What are you doing? Should I push him down? And look! Make sure not to drop him.
You want something else, Armand? Okay, let me give you something else. Whee! He's gone. He flew away. Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Huh?
Look, Dragon Ball Z.
How about your Spider-Man plushie? Look, you wanna play with the plushie?
That's from the blog. You remember the, I forgot, 1 year ago vlog? I forgot. Oh, you remember this?
Look how he's playing. Wow, he's playing so nicely.
Boop, boop. Look,
Good job.
Armand.
He's busy. He's showing you how the New York City road is.
Yay. Wow, blue car. Hey, blue. Say blue. Armand, say blue. Say blue. Blue, 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 blue. Oh no, it fell. And it came back again. Oh no, I can't talk. Nah, nah.
Right? You guys want to continue? Alright, you want to say bye-bye? Alright, guys.
Yeah, I'll say bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching
This was just a small
video
test of how he does.
with the puppets
Mom?
also.
Alright, Armand. Bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye, everybody. Thank you.
Bye.
Alright, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Thank you very much. Have a good one.